Humpty Dumpty sit on the wall?
Humpty Dumpty's gonna break the wall.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natty. I'm gonna try to whisper a little bit because the baby's sleeping right next to me. Today I'm just gonna do a quick little video on how to do decor for a child's bedroom or any bedroom. Today I'm doing my son's bedroom. Instead of paying $20 per photo or per frame or per canvas that you put up as decor in a room, I went online with my son. He has like a thing for animals. He loves animals. So we picked out some photos that he liked. Some super cute photos, and I actually saw similar things like this yesterday at Hobby Lobby for like $25 each. And I was like, ooh, this is a score. So I printed them out. I found them on Pinterest, and I went to Costco, and they were $1.59 to print for each of them. And I got a 10 by 12, I believe. And then I just bought some cute frames from IKEA. They were $2.99. No, they were $3.99 each. Originally $4.99. And I got 6 of them. 6 photos and 6 frames. And now I'm just gonna put them into the frame. All right, here we go. Oh, by the way, I'm like 34 weeks and 5 days pregnant today. Here's the bump. All right. All I'm doing here is removing the frames from the packaging. I used the same paper that came with the frames to use as the backdrop, and I taped it to the cardboard piece. I just added tape to all 4 corners of the printed photos so they stay in place. All right, guys, I absolutely love the way they came out. How cute are these? They're gonna look so cute on his wall, and I cannot wait till he sees them. And all in all, I spent about $35 to $37 versus at least $100, and they look cuter than the store-bought ones. So these frames, again, they're a 12 by 10, and the pictures I printed were 11 by 10. And yeah, they're gonna look super adorable. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this, leave it in the comments below, and I will try my best to do some more DIYs. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. You're such
Which one's my favorite?
Daddy put them up for you.
Yay!
Daddy put them up for you.
My favorite, that one.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
How much?
100%.
Why are you talking like a baby?
Cause there's baby animals up there. I like this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. My favorite one is this.
Good.